Hey guys, if you're new to our channel, or if you've been with us for a long time, we are Butch, Becky, Cupcake, and Gibbs from Time Off with Cousin Eddie. We enjoy traveling around during our time off in our beloved Class C Cousin Eddie. How's that?
Hey, that works. So, wherever you are, we hope you're having a wonderful start to your Happy New Year. 2023 is going to be the most exciting year ever. Have a great year. We'll see you on the road. Bye.
Daytime and nighttime, the light makes me blind. Life leaves scars. You're the only one with access to the backstage of my heart. We'll heal the broken parts. You walked this road before. The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take it right, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can...
All right, so we got a big adventure today.
We do. We are heading even further south. Woo!
Yeah, to Jacksonville.
Yeah.
And we're going to have lunch with our friends Joel and Deb from Chasing Our Sunshine.
Which will be lots of fun. We met them back in Asheville in November, so we decided when we met them then that we would all meet up in December while they are staying in St. Augustine.
They're in St. Augustine.
Okay.
So
Hey.
we're going to meet about halfway in Jacksonville, Florida at a place called Engine 15 Brewing. There they are. And I'm gonna do the tangerine wheat. You are gonna get a shirt?
No.
What does it look like? Gotcha. So what did y'all get?
I got the 9 ladies dancing and Joel.
I got the nutsack double brown ale.
Joel, I'm gonna be worried if you're dancing at the end of this.
Yeah.
I have the roasted tomato BLT.
I'm gonna get a close-up.
Super yummy, yeah. Dude, then I can eat.
And then I got the bratwurst.
Which look amazing. Is that sauerkraut on there?
Yes. And then Deb and Joel got the brisket. I'm gonna catch Joel with it in his mouth.
Nativity.
All right, so we've come down to downtown Fernandina Beach to enjoy some of the nightlife. Becky gets distracted. But thank the Lord that it gets dark early because our nightlife ends by 9 o'clock or 9:30.
Party animals these days.
We are party animals. Definitely my section, Beck.
What, the old guys rule section?
Yeah.
I think you're correct.
I may get me an Old Guys Rule t-shirt before we leave.
I think you need to.
All right, so I got me an Old Guys Rule shirt, but I'm not going to tell you which one I got. But I will say this. To my students that I teach each and every day, this shirt will make so much sense to them.
Yes, it will.
All right, so if you look here behind me, you can see the Palace Saloon. They say this is the oldest bar in Florida. So where are we going? Right over there. there room at the bar?
It is first come, first served. We're lucky. Okay.
That was the save of the day.
All right, guys, we're really closing the town down tonight. It is 7:24, and we're still out. But we are at the Amelia Island Brewing Company, and I got to show you. Yes, we got a beer, but I got to show you what I got. Got to show you. This is a cinnamon sugar pretzel with a cream cheese frosting to dip it in. Oh my gosh. I know y'all are jealous. You see these bicycles back here behind me? Well, that's going to be our mode of transportation today, and we're taking them and headed over to the actual fort. All right, guys. So today we're visiting the actual fort, Fort Clinch, the actual fort that we're here.
After the end of the Second Seminole War, the United States started construction of a fort, later named Fort Clinch, in 1847. It was part of its third system of coastal defenses conceived earlier in the century, which guided fortifications throughout this period. This fortified compound is in a pentagon shape and consists of almost 5 million bricks.
It's a creepy tunnel.
It is kind of a creepy tunnel.
And I guess this is built in the wall.
Yeah, I think it's just like underneath that part up top where they put their guns on and stuff.
Yeah. Where are you?
Come on up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then you're right here where you can see the wall.
Confederate forces seized the fort in early 1861. It was used as a safe haven for Confederate blockade runners during the first year of the Civil War. In March 1862, General Robert E. Lee ordered abandonment of the fort in order to use the scarce troops in other areas. Afterwards, Federal troops reoccupied the fort, taking control of the adjacent Florida and Georgia coast. They used the fort as the base of operations in the area throughout the Civil War.
Today we're going on a boat
It's not a real big boat, but it's a boat.
It's not a real big boat, and it has a bathroom.
Yes, and it has a captain who's a Coast Guard captain. We're going on a tour of
A tour boat.
Yes, a tour, but not like the SS Minnow. It's not a 3-hour tour. It's just a 2.5-hour tour. And we're going to go on in through the Cumberland Sound and see Cumberland Island. We won't get to get out like go on Cumberland Island, but we get to see it and see some of the ruins and stuff. So it'll be super cool.
It's gonna be fun.
It will be, and it's beautiful today. It's going to be like 65, 66 degrees today, and it's sunny, and because it rained yesterday, and so that brings in some warm air after the rain, and it smells clean outside. It's awesome. I'm excited.
Yay. All right, so we got coffee and breakfast at the Amelia Island Coffee Company.
And everybody that's awake right now, I think, is there.
Is down there. So now we're on our way to the boat.
For the black strips down there, guys. No sliding, please. Thank you. Welcome aboard. First boat on the left. Take your time. Take your time. That's your receipt. Thank you. Take your time, guys. Good morning. Thank you so much. Take your time. Aim for the black.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine, you?
Doing well.
Watch your step, watch your head. Morning, watch your step here, please.
Be fine. That'd be fine.
We'll do the best we can to spot all the wildlife and marine life along the way, but if we miss anything that you guys see, feel free to holler out nice and loud so everybody else can enjoy it. Just keep in mind that certain things like the dolphin may make a liar out of you because they'll pop up and take a breath. You haul the dolphin, they will disappear on you for 5 minutes. The island up ahead to our left is called Tiger Island, but it's locally known as Snake Island because it has the highest concentration of rattlesnakes of anywhere on the East Coast.
That's the other side of the ranch. 37,000 square feet. Not so bad. I went on Robo.com looking it up, trying to see how the numbers bring your own person about half a day. I'll never be like the club for the car. Appreciate it. I'm worried about it anyway. Like that much. But these did more than 50 miles. Two fleetable left outside there. The biggest boat is 264 feet long. Every year somebody gets lifeline how to go with some serious injuries. You don't want to walk up to horses and whisper to them or kiss them on the cheek or rub their belly or go on TikTok with them. These horses don't want to be on TikTok, guys. They're going to headbutt you or kick you or some really bad injuries. A couple years back, I came on these guys with horse whisper. We walked up to a stallion and blew his face.
Well, guys, I guess that's where we'll end 2022 and start 2023 right here in downtown Fernandina Beach. And as we leave you in this video, we're going to show you the sights and sounds from Fort Clinch State Park. And hey, we'll see you guys next time.